Welcome to DIY Dossier. Today we'll be looking at the 2011 Ford Figo's replacement of the Dicky Shock or the Dicky lift. As you can see, this is a spare replacement Dicky Shock. So you can just use a flathead screwdriver to insert into that clamp, which in turn widens the teeth. This locks to the housing in your boot in the car, so it's pretty easy to remove and fix this onto the boot. So you can see that the boot Dicky Shocker is fully gone, so both of the lifts are damaged. So if I take off the hands, there is no action, or it is not kept in the upright position. So I've purchased these Dicky shocks from Amazon. So let's see how to change it. This is not a tedious task. Anyone with a flathead screwdriver, household screwdriver at home, you can do this by yourself. And in order to buy or purchase the brand new or the genuine Dicky Shock, it would cost you around 8,000, more than 8,000 with the GST charges, and also you might have to spend some on the labor charges for getting this changed at the service center. So you can buy the similar, but it's a different company. So it's not a promotional video or anything, so I just bought it for my own purpose. I got this from Amazon. Once you have the replacement shock ready and available, it's always better to have a similarity check for the sizes and shape. Make sure that it looks similar. It can be the shopping site, whatever it is, Amazon or any other shopping cart. So make sure that you are buying it for the exact model of your Ford Figo. As you can see, so it's just slide on the screwdriver here, and try to get the screwdriver inside and slowly try to slide it out such that it should come out easily like this. Come here. And similar to the procedure which I demonstrated earlier, come this side, you can see the same. So it's just a simple flat screwdriver. You have to get it over through this clamp. Come this side, can you see this one? What I'm doing? Focus on that. Okay, you just have to raise that clip and try to move it out. It's out very easily. Now this is the replacement part. As I said, I got this from Amazon for around 1,600 Indian rupee. So the installation is pretty easy. Probably you doesn't need the screwdriver. You just have to push that on and it will lock in. I'm trying that. Yes, that's gone in. Now the second side, come this side. This side. Okay. And it clicks on, pretty easy. Now that you have to remove the second side as well. So both of the shocks were worn out, and it was as it is evidently visible, it's pretty much leaking. The oils have come out, and the boot is not in the upright position while you push open this one. So I'm going to replace the second one as well, similar to that what we did for the first one. Same procedure. I'm going to come this side. So the next I'm going to push it with the flathead screwdriver and the push here, and it will come out. Same thing to the other side. Come this way. Pretty easy. You don't have to pay around 300 rupees as a labor for changing this. So This is the company
Superfit Genius
Super
Gas
Lift
Spring.
Genuine Gas Spring. But just for your information, this is not a promotional video. I just saw this in Amazon and I bought it directly. So hope it will work as expected. Spring case should come this way. I'm going to push it in. Come this way. You just have to, this time for installing you don't need a screwdriver, just pop it in. Yeah, and it kicks in place. Once that is in, just have to put this side as well. So slightly align your boot and it clicks in perfectly. So that's it. It's pretty much a task of hardly 5 to 10 minutes and you can get this online. And this is in no way connected with your any movable or engine parts, so it won't reduce or deteriorate the performance of your car. I don't think it is worth to spend around 8 to 8,500 rupees on these two replacement in such a old car. This car is around 11 years old now and it has run over 1,85,000 kilometers. For watching, that's it for the day. Let's perfect. That's all. Thank you.